Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good morning to my panel. My name is Ramizah with Zainul Azahar. My metric number is CN180040. So today I would like to presenting with the title of Air Quality Monitoring System based on IoT. Introduction. So basically we know that humans need fresh and also clean air to breathe in. Clean air is so important to people to breathing process is because to maintain their body healthy, whereas if the air pollutions can harm and affect human body negatively. As we know that the air contains oxygen, right? But human also can inhale and also can breathe a negative particles such as dust particle, gas, smoke and other substance. Okay, then the effect polluted air need to be avoided, and one of the alternative is by using monitoring system. Okay, next we move to the objective of the project. So basically it consists of three objectives. So the first one is to produce a portable air quality sensing system with IoT capabilities and low-cost comprehensive monitoring. So basically it means this device has been created as a portable device where user could bring it anywhere and anytime, and the most important part is with a low cost. Okay, second point is to detect harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, smoke, formaldehyde, and many more, and dust particle in the air. Third part is to develop a user interface using Blink application for monitoring system. So basically I'm using Blink app as a user interface so that user who are using Android or maybe iOS, they can download this app in their smartphone. Okay, let's move to the literature review. So this is 5 researchers that have been collected. So let's see one by one. For the first researchers, the device can upload the sensor data to ThinkSpeed IoT platform, fetch and display sensor data to AirQMon application interface, which is installed on user Android smartphone. Then when the air quality is detected in a polluted conditions, the alarm buzzer will be buzzing to sound warning sign to the people inside the building. Okay, next, researchers second, the concept of IoT enable comprehensive data assimilations that reveal critical information about the quality of air, the level of temperature and humidity, the presence of various gas, and the presence of the dust particle in the air. And the third researcher is about situation in the room has dirty or dusty air with the temperature above the threshold. The output of the sprayer buzzer and the active LED will be assigned as a danger or unsafe state. Project flowchart. Okay, so first of all, start like usual. So the data we sense from the various sensors such as this DHT11 sensor, MQ135 sensor, MQ7 and DAS sensor. And then this the data of the sensor will processing with the Arduino Mega, and then it will send a AT command to Wi-Fi module. Wi-Fi module will check the connection of Wi-Fi first. If let's say the Wi-Fi connection is poor or cannot be connected, so we need to reset our Wi-Fi connection first. And then if the connection is good and it be connected, then the data will send to the Blink cloud, okay, through internet that was connected just now. And then once the Blink cloud receives the data, and then it will send the data to the Blink apps and display the value on the LCD in the prototype. Also simultaneously will display the current value on the Blink apps also. If let's say the value of the air quality sensor and also carbon monoxide sensor is above than 200 ppm. So the user will get a notification and state they're unhealthy. But if the sensor detect the air quality above than 300, it will trigger the user by sending them a notifications and stated that hazard. Okay, we proceed to result part. Okay, this picture shows final look of my hardware prototype. Okay, so in next video, I will show the demonstrations of the hardware prototype.
So this is my final look for my hardware prototype. So now I would like to demonstrate my project on how air quality monitoring system works to detecting the air quality. So in this project, it consists 4 sensors and 2 display methods. So the sensors are dust sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, air quality sensors, and also temperature and humidity sensor. So the display method, it will display the value on the LCD and also through the Blink apps. Okay, for this dust sensor, one of the advantage of this dust is it can detect very fine particles in the air like cigarette smokes, house dust, and so on. Then the dust particle will detect by through this hole. Okay, before we test the carbon monoxide sensor and air quality sensor, as you can see on the LCD display, the value is below than 200 ppm. So it means the indoor air quality is healthy, whereas unhealthy for those that are sensitive. Okay, I will test this carbon monoxide sensor first. So as you can see in the LCD screen, the value is increasing to 224. Then I will receive a notification from Blink. Okay, then I open the notifications. So when I open my Blink apps, it will be appear like this. So as you can see, the air quality is normal, while the carbon monoxide is unhealthy is because of the air quality is below than 200 and the value of carbon monoxide is above than 200. Okay, then I will proceed to test air quality sensor. As you can see on the LCD's display, the value of air quality is increasing up to 209. Then the Blink will send notification to me and state there the air quality is unhealthy, while carbon monoxide is normal. If the value below than 200, it means the air quality is normal and can be acceptable. As you can see here, dust density value is 0.38, but when I put powder inside the hole of the dust sensor, then the dust density value is increasing from 0.35 to 0.48. As you can see, I'm touching this sensor and the value on the LCD become increasing. Okay, for the temperature and humidity is just monitoring purpose. It only just to display the value to let the user know about their Basically, high moisture level encourage the growth of fungus, mold, and also dust mites. So I think that's all from my demonstration project.
So we come to the last part of the presentation, which is conclusions. I would like to conclude that I was able to achieve my objective of the project. So by creating this project, this device is so affordable where everyone can afford to have this device inside their house. Because for me, not everyone can afford expensive device. So by creating this product with the low cost, and at the same time it can help people to stay healthy and aware with their environment.